Let's make an unbeatable rock, paper, scissors game with Al opponent using Python. Start with important random module and enjoy the video. So let's run our program and see if AI selects the random strings, i.e., rock, paper, scissors. So yes, it is selecting random strings. Now here we have taken the input from both and trying to run the code. And yes, it is displaying the same what we expected. So till now we are doing fantastic job. I hope you are also trying to execute this program. This will help you in improving your logical thinking skills, as we have to use if-else conditions to decide the winner of the game. So let's run our program. I lose couple of times. But never mind, hope you enjoyed the video. And make sure you follow me. Let's build a solid community.